Portable Car Cinema. Car Cine is the first truly portable cinema created specifically for use inside a car. The kit includes a compact 2K DLP projector that delivers 700 lumens of brightness and uses an ultra-short throw lens for clear projection in tight spaces. It also comes with a 32-inch screen that automatically unfolds with a single button press. The screen attaches securely to the roof using heavy-duty suction cups, and its built-in battery supports up to 200 opening and closing cycles. Everything can be managed through a mobile app, while audio connects directly to the vehicle's sound system via Bluetooth.
A proper entertainment setup requires fully charged devices, and this compact 4-in-1 charger keeps everything powered without messy cables. It features two retractable 80-centimeter cables, including USB-C and Lightning, along with additional USB-A and USB-C ports for extra flexibility. With a total output of 100 watts, it can fast charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. An LED display shows the vehicle's electrical system voltage in real time, and the 180-degree rotating plug locks firmly into the cigarette lighter socket for a secure connection. This convenient charging solution is available for $15. High-power cordless car vacuum. Keeping the interior clean is easy with this cordless vacuum equipped with a 225-watt brushless motor. It delivers suction power of up to 23,000 pascals, ensuring dust and debris are removed effectively. The vacuum offers 3 operating modes: Boost mode for deeply embedded dirt, Standard mode for everyday cleaning, and Eco mode for lighter tasks. Its cyclonic system maintains consistent suction performance, and the included air-blowing model makes it useful for cleaning keyboards.
Electric car kettle for hot drinks. Enjoying hot tea or coffee while traveling is now simple with this 400-milliliter electric car kettle. It plugs directly into the cigarette lighter socket and heats water to a boil in about 30 minutes. Touch controls and an LCD display allow you to select boiling or keep warm modes, with adjustable temperatures ranging from 30 to 95 degrees Celsius. The interior features a 304 stainless steel liner, while the sealed lid with a silicone gasket helps. Foldable trunk organizer with cooler. A well-organized trunk makes every trip more comfortable, and this foldable storage organizer offers a total capacity of 69 liters. It includes 3 main compartments, along with a removable 23-liter insulated cooler bag designed to keep drinks and food fresh. Constructed from durable 600D Oxford fabric with reinforced stitching, it can handle loads of more than 27 kilograms. Velcro panels allow it to fold down when not in use, and reflective strips improve visibility. 5-in-1 emergency jump starter. When a car refuses to start, this 5-in-1 jump starter provides a reliable emergency solution. With a peak current of 3,000 amps, it can start gasoline engines up to 9 liters and diesel engines up to 6 to 12 liters, even in temperatures from -20 to +60 degrees Celsius. The built-in air compressor, rated at 10 atmospheres, can inflate a car tire in about 7 minutes. It also functions as a power bank with USB ports and includes an LED flashlight with an SOS emergency mode. This multifunctional device
360-degree 4K dash camera. Recording every angle around your vehicle is possible with the first dash camera offering true 360-degree coverage. Its rotating mount works with a 140-degree lens and captures video in 4K resolution using a Sony Starvis sensor, ensuring excellent clarity even at night. Artificial intelligence detects suspicious movement around a parked vehicle and automatically begins recording. The system also supports 4G LTE connectivity for remote viewing, along with voice control and built-in GPS tracking. This advanced dash cam.
NACS to CCS EV charging adapter. Electric vehicle owners can now access more charging stations using this NACS to CCS adapter. It allows cars with CCS 1 ports to connect to over 25,000 Tesla supercharger locations. Rated for 500 amps and 1,000 volts, it can deliver up to 240 kilometers of driving range in just 15 minutes. A dual locking system prevents accidental disconnection, and its compact design makes it easy to store in a glove compartment. The adapter is compatible with brands such as Ford. Steering wheel laptop desk. Transforming a vehicle into a mobile office takes only seconds with this aluminum steering wheel desk. It attaches using patented rotating hooks lined with silicone pads to prevent scratches. The desk provides 9 adjustable height levels and a 27 by 33 centimeter surface, capable of holding laptops up to 17 inches in size. When folded, it becomes compact enough to fit into a briefcase or door storage pocket, making it ideal for work on the go. Center Console Biometric Safe. Protecting valuables inside a vehicle becomes easier with this console-mounted safe. It installs in about 10 minutes without drilling, using factory mounting points for a seamless fit. Built from 12-gauge carbon steel, it maintains a clean factory appearance while offering strong protection. The biometric lock reads fingerprints in just 1 second, and a backup key ensures access if needed.
Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto display. Upgrading an older vehicle's infotainment system is simple with this 10.26-inch IPS display. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing navigation, music, and hands-free calling through voice assistants. The unit also includes a built-in 4K dash camera with a 64GB memory card and a 1080p rear camera to assist with parking. Audio can be transmitted through textile tire socks for snow traction. These textile tire socks provide a modern alternative to traditional snow chains. Installation takes about 3 minutes and does not require lifting the car. Simply place the sock over the tire, roll the vehicle forward slightly, and secure the remaining section. High-strength fibers absorb moisture and improve traction on snow and ice without damaging alloy wheels. They are compatible with ABS and ESP systems and can even be cleaned in a washing machine. The price ranges from $120 to $150.
Inflatable SUV Sleeping Mattress. Sleeping inside a vehicle becomes comfortable with this inflatable SUV mattress featuring 6 separate air sections. It can be configured across rear seats or cargo areas and has a thickness of 15 centimeters, supporting up to 300 kg. The package includes an electric pump powered by the cigarette lighter socket, 2 inflatable pillows, and support flexible, spill-free oil funnel. Vehicle maintenance becomes cleaner and easier with this flexible silicone funnel reinforced by an aluminum core. It can be bent into different shapes to guide fluids precisely where needed. The set includes 2 sizes, measuring 50 by 20 centimeters and 37 by 7 centimeters, suitable for various engine openings. The durable design resists cracking and works safely with oil, fuel, and antifreeze. After use, it can be Inflatable Protective Car Capsule. Protecting a stored vehicle is possible with this inflatable garage capsule made from clear PVC material. It can be set up in about 5 minutes using an 800-watt pump that maintains internal pressure automatically. Quiet fans continuously circulate filtered air to prevent condensation, which can damage a vehicle's exterior. Zippers on Wearable Electric Car Blanket. Cold weather driving becomes more comfortable with this 150 by 110 centimeter heated flannel blanket. It connects to the cigarette lighter socket and uses snap buttons to convert into a poncho-style wrap, allowing freedom of movement. 2 heat settings and an automatic shutoff timer help prevent battery drain. The 2.3-meter cable reaches rear passengers, and the detachable controller allows safe machine washing. This winter essential costs $20.
Hidden Tesla Center Organizer. Tesla owners can add extra storage with this hidden organizer designed for the Model Y Juniper from 2019 to 2026. It fits perfectly beneath the central display and uses a magnetic latch for quiet, one-handed access. The ABS plastic shell includes a non-slip silicone interior to protect items such as phones, glasses, or cards. Installation requires no tools or adhesives and takes only seconds. This
Dual-channel smart power hub. For off-grid travel, this smart charging hub delivers reliable power anywhere. It can charge portable power stations using both the vehicle's generator and solar panels at the same time. With a combined output of up to 1,200 watts, it charges much faster than a standard cigarette lighter connection. Battery link technology allows appliances like portable refrigerators to operate without draining the starter battery. Compatible with Bluetti and most other brands, it can be controlled through a mobile app.
Cordless hydraulic car jack. Changing a tire becomes effortless with this cordless hydraulic jack, capable of lifting up to 5 tons.
It raises a vehicle in about 90 seconds using either the included remote control or onboard button. The 4,000 milliamp battery provides enough power for 6 to 8 full lifts and recharges completely in about 100 minutes. Its lifting range of 16 to 45 centimeters.
Solar wireless charging phone mount. Keeping a smartphone charged while driving is easy with this solar-powered phone mount. It combines a 15-watt wireless charger with a built-in solar panel, reducing the need for cables. The gravity-based clamp automatically secures the phone when placed inside, and the enlarged charging coil supports devices from 4.7 to 6.7 inches. The air vent mount uses a metal hook for stability, and the
Digital side mirror camera system. Digital side mirrors bring advanced technology normally seen in hypercars to everyday vehicles. Compact exterior cameras replace traditional mirrors and transmit a 1080p video feed to 7-inch IPS displays inside the cabin. A 170-degree viewing angle eliminates blind spots. Telescopic windshield cleaning tool. Clearing fog or moisture from the windshield is quick with this telescopic cleaning tool. Its handle extends from 40 to 53 centimeters and locks securely in place. The triangular head rotates 180 degrees to reach difficult corners, and 4 high-density microfiber pads clean without leaving streaks. It also includes a built-in safety handle.